up? This is Nimisha Bhatt, your host, and today I bring to you a mocha oat smoothie that is like a coffee oat smoothie. It's a very healthy and tasty breakfast recipe that can be made just within minutes, and it's going to be very healthy because I'm going to be adding in oats, peanut butter, chia seeds, and much more healthy ingredients. Yes, so this is a very easy recipe. You can make it early in the morning. It will just take you around 5 to 10 minutes quick, and you can make the recipe. So do not skip your breakfast and make this smoothie. Let me know how this turns out for you guys, and let's start making this yummy recipe. So skip having that normal coffee with a lot of sugar and dairy milk and all that, but stop that and let's go to the healthy version of mocha oat smoothie. Let's get started. So today I bring to you a mocha oat smoothie. Mocha, that means coffee, so definitely coffee oat smoothie recipe. So it's very easy and simple, and in this recipe I'm going to be using oat milk. So this is homemade oat milk, plus I also have natural homemade creamy peanut butter. So both of them are homemade. So this is a very easy and quick recipe. Early in the morning you can make this. Just blend everything together. So it will just be ready in a very short period of time. So I'm using half cup of instant oats. You can use any oats, even traditional oats are fine. So just take care of the measurements. Half cup of instant oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons flax seeds. Next I'll be adding in peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can also use store-bought if you don't have, but peanut butter is very easy to make at home, so I usually prepare mine at home. So 1 tablespoon. It's going to give us a nice kick plus creaminess. Next I have coffee. I just diluted hot water plus instant coffee. This is 1 cup in measurement. I'll add it. So 1 cup of coffee. Next I'll add honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. As coffee is slightly on the bitter side, I'll add 2 tablespoons. After adding in the honey, I'll add in 1 cup of oat milk. It's 250 ml oat milk. Next I'm going to be adding in some ice cubes. Just around 3 to 4 ice cubes. I'm going to serve this chilled. So I've added the ice cubes. I'm going to give it a good mix. So now that I have added all the ingredients, I'm going to give this a quick mix. Just mix it well. In the summers you can serve this smoothie. It's going to be very tasty, healthy. So after mixing this, we are going to do our favorite part, blend, blend, blend. I'm going to blend this nicely till it's smooth. At this stage you can also add in 1 banana, but I'm going to skip that. So I'm just going to blend it and then I'll show you how it looks like. So the mocha oat smoothie is completely ready. Let me show you guys the texture. It's nice, smooth and creamy. So now that this is ready, I would like to tell you some important facts. Now in this recipe, make sure not to use any sugar and make sure not to use any dairy milk. And also I wanted to tell you guys, instead of having normal coffee in the morning, try having this mocha oat smoothie. It's only going to give you good benefits, good health benefits. Early in the morning, it's very easy to make this smoothie. So just make this smoothie. It's only going to take you only 5 to 10 minutes to prepare this smoothie. It is packed with nutrients as we have added flax seeds, chia seeds, oats, and normal coffee we usually take it with a lot of sugar and the normal milk. And now I'm trying to switch myself. It's been around 6 to 7 months. I'm trying to switch myself to stop using the normal milk, the normal cow milk or buffalo milk, to use the oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk, almond milk, or coconut milk. So yes, I'm just trying to share my experiences with you guys. This is very healthy, tasty, and it is filling. Whenever I take any oat smoothies, I feel full for a longer time. For example, if early in the morning I'm going to snack on chips or crepes or just something that is unhealthy or fried, I will have it as breakfast, or maybe I'm going to take something that is high in sugar. For example, tea or coffee or just normal milk with sugar. It's not healthy at all. Plus, after around 1 to 2 hours, I will feel hungry again. But you know what? Oats can make you feel full for a longer period of time. So as I've shared some recipes with you guys, oatmeal recipes, you can make overnight oatmeal recipes or instant oatmeal recipes. And oat smoothies are also a great start to the day, or whenever you're feeling hungry, not only for breakfast but evening snacks. For example, it's 5 o'clock and you feel like you wanna have something, you're hungry, you're craving coffee. Instead of taking the normal milk, the normal coffee, and adding in sugar, just try this oat milk smoothie, as we have also added peanut butter. Have you gone to the supermarket recently and you have a jar of peanut butter at home and you don't know what to do with it? You're just tired of having the plain peanut butter? Do try making peanut butter smoothies. Add it in your overnight oatmeals or instant oatmeals or any other type of smoothie. And I've also added chia seeds and flax seeds that are full of omega-3 and have a lot of good components of nature. And also I've used honey. You guys know all the benefits of everything that I've used in this recipe. So the coffee oat smoothie is completely ready and we will serve this recipe. I'm so excited. Now I'm going to give it a final garnishing. I'm going to be adding some pista. These are the pista flakes, just giving it a nice decoration. And that's it. The mocha oat smoothie is completely ready to be served. This recipe serves 2 people with large glass or 4 people with small glass. Now this recipe you can serve it chilled, like you can just make it early in the morning and take it with you at work in a mason jar. You can make this recipe and have this smoothie fresh, or you can also prepare it beforehand. You can store this smoothie in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and also in the normal refrigerator section for around 2 to 3 days. So it depends. You can make it fresh and have it fresh, or you can store it. No problem at all. Now this recipe is completely done. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this recipe. It's very healthy and nutritious, and let me know in the comment how it turned out for you guys. So that's it for today. Goodbye and see you in my next video. God bless you all.